Ramadan is a beautiful month. It brings peace, discipline, spirituality, and self-control. But many people notice something surprising during this time. Their face starts looking dull. Skin looks tired. Dark circles become visible. Lips get dry. Glow disappears. And the strange part is, most people think fasting is the reason. But fasting is not the problem. The real reason is habits. Today we will talk about the habits that dull your face during Ramadan, why they affect your skin, real-life examples, and practical solutions you can follow immediately. Let's begin. First, understand something very important. Your skin reflects your internal condition. If your hydration, sleep, nutrition, and stress are balanced, your skin glows. If they're disturbed, your face shows it. During Ramadan, your routine changes suddenly. Meal timing changes. Sleep timing changes. Water intake pattern changes. If you don't manage this transition properly, your skin suffers quietly. Let's talk about the first habit. Habit number 1, not drinking enough water. Many people think drinking 2 to 3 glasses at iftar is enough. It's not. During fasting hours, your body loses water through breathing and normal metabolism. When you break your fast and drink only a little water, your body prioritizes vital organs. Skin becomes the last priority. Dehydrated skin looks dry, tight, less elastic, and dull. Example, Ali fasts all day. At iftar he drinks 1 glass of water and then eats fried snacks. Later he drinks tea. He goes to sleep without completing his water intake. After 10 days, his lips crack, under-eye area darkens, and skin looks lifeless. The problem is not fasting. The problem is poor hydration strategy. Solution: divide water intake. 2 glasses at iftar. 2 glasses between iftar and sleep. 2 glasses at suhoor. Add hydrating foods: watermelon, cucumber, oranges, yogurt. Avoid drinking all water at once. Slow hydration improves skin elasticity. Now habit number 2. Too much fried and oily food at iftar. During Ramadan, fried snacks increase. Samosa, pakora, spring rolls, fried chicken occasionally is fine, but daily heavy fried meals increase inflammation in the body. Inflammation affects skin texture. It can cause breakouts, puffiness, oily dullness, uneven tone. Example, Sarah eats heavy fried food every evening. She feels bloated. After 2 weeks, her face looks swollen and tired. Solution: follow a balanced iftar plate. Start with dates and water. Add fruit. Add protein like eggs or grilled chicken. Add fiber like salad. Keep fried items minimal. Protein supports skin repair. Fiber supports digestion. Good digestion equals clearer skin. Habit number 3. Sleeping late every night. Ramadan often shifts sleep schedule. People stay awake until 2 or 3 a.m. Wake up early for suhoor. Sleep becomes broken. When sleep quality decreases, cortisol increases. Cortisol is a stress hormone. High cortisol causes dark circles, puffy eyes, dull complexion, fine lines becoming visible. Example, Hamza watches shows after Tarawih until 3 a.m. Sleeps 3 hours. Wakes up for suhoor. Repeats daily. After 15 days, his under-eye area becomes dark and hollow. Solution: sleep in 2 structured blocks. 4 to 5 hours at night. 1 to 2 hour nap during day if possible. Avoid screens 30 minutes before sleep. Good sleep is the cheapest skincare. Habit number 4. Too much caffeine. Many people drink strong tea or coffee at iftar and suhoor. Caffeine dehydrates the body. It also affects sleep quality. This combination damages skin glow. Example, Nadia drinks 2 cups of strong tea at iftar. Another cup at night. 1 more at suhoor. She feels energetic temporarily, but her skin becomes dry and uneven. Solution: limit caffeine to 1 small cup. Replace other drinks with water or herbal tea. Habit number 5. Skipping skincare routine. Some people think fasting means no need for skincare. This is incorrect. External skincare does not break your fast. If you stop moisturizing, skin barrier weakens. Dry air plus dehydration equals dullness. Solution: simple routine. Gentle cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen during day, light serum at night if needed. Consistency matters more than expensive products. Habit number 6. Low protein intake. Many Ramadan meals focus on carbs, rice, bread, fried snacks, but protein repairs skin tissue. Without enough protein, skin regeneration slows down. Solution: add eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, yogurt, at least one protein source at iftar and suhoor. Habit number 7. Not eating enough fruits and vegetables. Vitamins support skin glow. Vitamin C supports collagen. Vitamin A supports repair. Antioxidants reduce dullness. Solution: add colorful foods, orange fruits, green vegetables, red fruits. The more color on your plate, the better for your skin. Habit number 8. Stress and overthinking. Ramadan can be busy. Work, prayers, family, routine changes. Stress increases inflammation. Your face reflects mental pressure. Solution: take 10 minutes daily for calm breathing. Reduce unnecessary screen scrolling. Focus on spiritual peace. Calm mind equals calm skin. Now let's build a simple Ramadan glow routine. Morning after suhoor. Hydrate properly. Moisturize. Apply sunscreen. During fasting, avoid unnecessary sun exposure. Stay calm. Rest when possible. At iftar, break fast with water and dates. Avoid overeating. Eat balanced plate. Night. Light skincare. Sleep on time. If you follow this for 30 days, your face will look healthier at the end of Ramadan than before. Remember something important. Fasting does not dull your face. Unmanaged habits do. Ramadan is actually a detox opportunity. If you eat clean, hydrate well, and sleep properly, your skin can glow naturally. Your face reflects discipline, and Ramadan is the month of discipline. So protect your glow, respect your body, balance your routine, and let this Ramadan improve not just your spirituality, but also your health and appearance. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who is struggling with dull skin during Ramadan. Take care of yourself. Stay hydrated, stay balanced, and have a healthy Ramadan.